How to delete suggested photos on iPhone wallpaper. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and tap on Apps. This section provides a comprehensive list of all the applications installed on your iPhone. Now, scroll down through the list to find and tap on Photos to access its specific settings. In the Photo Settings menu, scroll down to the bottom to find the Featured Content section. Turn off the toggle switch next to Show Featured Content. You have now successfully disabled the Suggested Photos feature on your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily delete suggested photos from an iPhone wallpaper. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.